Takumo 626 mumbles, and let's spin again. Cat mumbles, shitty. Shit asterisk.
Marcus mumbles, what did you spin Takumo? O.O. Oh, I see. Thank you, Marcipher. Marcus mumbles, O.O.
Cat mumbles, a vampire in a ghost town sounds like a vampire that would die to natural selection.
Marcus mumbles. True.
Takumo 626 mumbles, okay I have to go. Bye. See you Takumo.
Waves at Takumo.
Random word game has started.
Waves on everyone back. Cat mumbles, wait, does bats have talons or claws?
That's a great question, Cat. That's really great question. So it looks like my OBS decided to start crashing randomly. Yeah. Also, hello. Hi, Cat. I guess Takumo is gone already.
Cat mumbles, just like my Windows.
Yeah, your Windows is... I mean, I would prefer a whole fucking Windows to crash so I can restart my computer. To be honest. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Oh my god, why did I say that? Oh no. Oh no. Why didn't... Well... okay. Also, I noticed there is an action stuck in my queue.
Random word was Talon. Winners, Cat. Congratulations for winning 30
not good, I guess. Fuck me.
Studs.
Let me show you actually.
Cat mumbles, also I once knew a blue screen was coming, so I tried to restart my PC before, but it crashed when I tried to.
It sounds like it was trolling you professionally, like Windows do. I kinda don't know what to do.
Cat mumbles, also I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous? What? Why are you nervous, Cat?
School start tomorrow.
Hello, Foxy's hand.
ELO Foxy.
You will be fine, Cat. It's just school, right? I mean, you're supposed to learn things, and you're pretty good at learning things, so what can go wrong, huh?
I know.
Will this lower everything? No. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Let me show you what I... Okay, that's really loud.
I'm actually more nervous I will oversleep.
Yeah, like me on Monday to work. Okay, let me show you what I see, and I'm not sure if I can solve this without closing and opening Streamer.bot.
What is Streamer.bot, you ask? One and only, supreme tool for ultimate stream setups.
Okay. Let me change the scene then. So, as you can see, in my default queue is from 2114 stack 1 thingy-majing. Right now it's 2137, so something tells me it's not gonna unstack itself. Let's have a look. Maybe in logs we can see why it's stuck. Maybe.
Cat mumbles. Seems about right.
I kinda don't want to pause default queue. That's bad idea. Okay, let's look at the logs, I guess. What is it called? Color change overlay. Okay. Color change. Color change overlay. You kidding me? That's helpful. That's fucking helpful. Thank you. God damn it. Okay, you know what? I'm pretty sure nobody will notice when I close it, right? What bad can happen if I just force close Streamer.bot in the middle of streaming? Like, I mean, nothing. Are you here, Streamer.bot? Or are you dead? Dead? I think you're dead, huh? Cat. If it gets stuck in the queue, Cat.
Cat mumbles. Wow.
It's impressive that it actually closed itself, right? Okay.
No spin. This is a scam.
Cat. Don't you even... Okay, we are connected to OBS. Okay. My accounts seem to be connected also. Is that... Oh, okay.
Timeout, please.
Nope. Nope. Oh, by the way, did you like my new VIP only first words animation? Or you didn't even notice it?
Yush.
Yes. I'm gonna translate to that yes. Okay, what is the command for showing...
Yush.
Yash. It sounds like, I don't know, Greece. Like...
I like how TDS says that.
Yeah, it sounds like Russian
Yush.
crossed with Greece or something like that. Okay, seems like everything is kind of working so far. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna last, but you know, we have to be happy with what we have currently. Okay, what I wanted to do something, and I don't know what, and that's kind of my life. God damn it. What did I want to do? Frick. Oh, I wanted to look at that command that is showing the leaderboard. It is showboard. Why it didn't work for me? What the frick? Show board. Okay, show me only one item. Are you telling me I borked it? Are you? Of course I borked it. Why would it work, right? Like. That's right, it should be on cooldown. Okay, let's have a look in the log. Or even better, let's have a look in that actual action. I needed to change something in there. Maybe I worked it because of that. Yeah, if we are not at the... Can we send this into, I don't know, into chat? I don't care. Because if we are not at that... then it should work. Huh. Let's see. Send CPH send message current scene without anything as a bot. Okay. Maybe I need to add something else in here. OBS get current scene, that makes sense. Maybe that was the problem with the top. Let's see now. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. So that was the problem, I see. I did not have the... I see, okay. Since we have this beautiful code, I'm sure we can make this the show up to, I don't know, 50. If we add one more loop in here, right? I can make one more loop that will loop through all of this. X times. So max 5 times, and we can show 50 users. Right?
Cat mumbles, maybe. Sorry, was unfocused.
That should work. I mean, what do we need to do? We need to We need to do modulus, so... And we want to do modulus 10. And that should be the number of the times we want to loop through this. Right? For example, if I want to show 40 people, okay? So modulus would be z. No, I don't want to do modulus. I just want to do divide by 10. So if I divide 30 by 10, I have 3. So I want to do 3 loops. If it's 35, then it's 3.5. So I can round it up. And I want to do 4 loops. Or I can...
Random word game has started.
How to do this most efficiently? Okay, so let's say that I want to show 42 people. Let's start easy. Let's start with the round numbers. So
Cat mumbles. Call your local unicorn and ask it to write the code.
my local unicorn is kinda lazy, so I think it's up to me now. Well. Okay, so we have a number. That's beautiful. And it's stored in a J. And let me just check. So if currently, if I do the maximum, which is show board 10, it's gonna show 10, top 10. Right.
Random word was unicorn.
Okay.
Winners, cat. Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas. Stonks.
So if I want to loop through this, let's try to do 20, so it does 2 loops. We need to just divide by 10. So we need to take that number, if it's an integer. Let's make 20 like our top. So let's say this will be 20 instead of 10. And in here, we want to do something with that J. So J should be divided. God damn it. Where is the division in this, on this? I had it, right? Maybe. Fuck. Aha! Oh, here. Is this how I write it, or is it like this? Maybe it's like this. So I want to divide it by 10 every time, right? Let's call this, you know what? Make this a new integer. Let's call it and in this case it's gonna be an integer, but it should be the, what's the lower? It's the float or the double? What is the lower one? God damn it. Well, I guess double is the smaller one. So let's call this double number of loops, and it should be j divided by right. So if it's 21, it's gonna be, can I round it up? Fuck, I don't know exactly how this works.
Cat mumbles, yes.
There should be a function for that, right?
Math.ceiling.
Will it throw an exception if I make this integer? When, for example, this j would be 21, and I do the math dot ceiling within this. This is basically float in that case. Will it throw an exception because I'm trying to give integer a float?
Cat mumbles, it wouldn't be calculated corrected.
Okay. So I should do it step by step, right? Okay.
To SEC let me send.
Okay. Because I'm parsing integer into it, not float. I'm not sure. I was coding with Python. That's why I am confused, I guess.
Math.ceiling.
Yeah, it's
double
saying it here.
j/10.
Yeah, I have to tell it. Okay. So this should be double 2 then. I need to explicitly say that it's a... Okay. Okay. Okay, what about the other way around? So I want this to be an integer. Then I don't have to say this, right? Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. I understand. Okay. I understand. Don't mix apples with poop. Yeah. Okay.
Random word game has started.
So we need to change this double to an integer right now, right? So let's call this decimal number of loops, and it should be an integer number of loops. And we can
Cat
use
mumbles.
try.
BRB, I will find some number. Or try to 8 least.
Okay, try parse 32. Try parse integer 32, if I remember correctly. No. Try dot.
Wait, is it hum?
Yep, it is a hum. Okay, convert. Okay, C#. Convert
Rigged.
string to integer. Yeah, it's 2 integer, I see, okay. So it's 2 integer 32. Oh my god, did I work? Oh,
Random word
that's from
was
the string.
Winners,
Okay.
cat.
Convert
Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas.
double
Stonks.
to integer like this. Oh, I can. Okay, I can just say this. I see. Beep. Okay. Okay, so we have our number of loops now, and you don't see it. And it's gonna be always an integer. We also need to get the exact number of users we want to show, which should be it should be integer, and it's gonna, we can call it again poop number of users, and it's gonna be number of users. I'm gonna hide my thing, aren't I? If I press this, cut damn it. Oh, well, YOLO. Times 10. Minus J. I'm pretty sure this is correct. Oh, I'm trying to declare it, I see. It doesn't like that. Okay. Okay. So, for example, our input is 32. That is a J. 32 divided by 10 is 3.2. With ceiling, it's 4. So 4 loops. That's correct. We are just converting it into an integer here. And here we have our number of, so this should be 4 times 10 minus j was 32. So we have, so it's not minus j, it's minus 10 minus j. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? It's not correct, right? It's j minus this. No. God damn it. Should be number of loops minus 1 times 10 and j minus that. Like this. So, once again, j should be 32. Let's write it. If j is equal to 32, then number of loops will be 4, and then number of users is gonna be j, which is 32, minus number of loops minus 1, which is 3, so minus 3 times 10, which is 30. And this is 2. So we want to do 4 loops, and on the 4th loop we want to do only 2 users because it's 32. So with my current setup, it would just do 2 users if I use 32. I kinda just want to test it. Let's see. Thank you, Cat. YOLO?
Cat mumbles.
Oh no. Oh,
Number has been consumed.
Oh no, it showed 5. Oh no. Why it showed 5 though? That's a great question, Marcus. Why did it show 5 when you just calculated it should not, huh?
At Streamer.bot, this is why.
Oh.
I 10k.
Oh. But I change. Oh, I see. I didn't change this value. Okay, let's put it at 50 then. Yeah. It's my break, so I don't break things, but I want to break things. I mean, what? So let's show board 32. Yep, it's working. Okay. Cool. So our last run is working, and we know how many times we want to loop over. That's everything we need, right? We know number of loops, and we know how many users we want to show on the last loop. And every loop will show 10 people because my leaderboard is made for 10 people max, right? I don't have any more fields there. So I have to go from 1 to 10, from 11 to 20, from 21 to 30, and from 31 to 32. And just loop through it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Right? Mm-hmm. So this
Cat mumbles, maybe.
this is kind of global variable. It's not gonna change. This is all users we have. Okay, this is showing first item in the table. Hmm. I'm curious. Oh, of course. At least Cat is happy, right? Okay. Hmm. Okay, we're gonna need that number here. That
Random
row
word game
number.
has started.
And this needs to change each loop, I guess. Same goes with this one. So on the first loop, it's gonna stay same.
Cat mumbles, I wonder when a Pokemon for codes exists.
I see that random word, cat. I see it, but good job. Why is this so hard to think about? I mean, maybe if I've written it somewhere, it might be easier to code, huh? But no, I'm just sitting here and trying to figure it out from the spot. But yeah, I know these two needs to change in order.
Random word was, poke. Winners, cat. Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas. Stonks.
Cat mumbles, but then again missing no. Is probably it.
Missing no? Missing no? Cat, missing no? What is missing no? Cat. Cat. Cat, you're not supposed to confuse others.
Cat mumbles, you don't know missing no?
No? Should I know it? I don't know it, cat.
Search it up.
Okay. Missing no. Oh. 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 Interesting. So that's your game. So we need to we also need to define our number. So before we do this double, oh, it's J. It's still J. We just don't have it named properly. So this is gonna be last poop number of users, and this one is gonna be poop. You can define it in here, right? Poop number of users. That should be our J. I guess I should set this up here. like this. And in here is gonna be 0 in this case. Okay. So if the overflowing last is 0, then we don't want to overflow. It makes sense in my head at least. And here we have some overflow. We have or don't? We're gonna check it in our loop. Okay. We need another integer. Which is this one, I get. This one, I guess. We can just do times, right? Times the number of loop we are in. In here. Oh my god, there is so many variables in here.
Random word game has started.
This one should return our first index, which it is doing. On the next loop, it should return our 11th user, and so on, right? So we need to do...
Cat mumbles, Unicode is the devil. I don't get it.
Unicode? Yeah. You still cannot make it read your... yeah, you still cannot translate it. Make it translate.
I'm trying.
Yeah. So all of this is the first one. And on each loop,
Random word was, devil. Winners, cat. Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas.
on each loop, we
Stonks.
just want to do minus 10 times number of the loop. And we're gonna start with 0. Let's call that loop L. So we want to loop all of this, I guess. Okay. So I guess we have to loop all of this. Let's see. So for integer, I just called L, right? It's a loop, which is 0. God damn it, can I? Thank you. And we want this L to be less than number of the loops we get here. Number of loops, which is integer 2. It's gonna work. And we want to increase this L. Nice job, cat. So if we have 4, we want to go 0, 1, 2, and on the third one we want to do something else. But yeah, we will go 4 times. That's correct. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's our loop then. shouldn't end up to be infinite, hopefully. Like never. Okay. Okay, this one is the actual leaderboard. We don't want to loop this. This is the name of the... I think. Yeah. So we don't want to mess with this. We want to keep it there, the name of the leaderboard, and same goes for the last one here, right? This one. Yeah. We can pull this out. Oh, you don't see it. Same goes for this. That's just the last item in there. The title one. So we can pull that out. Okay. Oh, we are not compiling anymore. Cool. Let's see. On line 44. Just I created. Okay. What is oh, I put the commas there. And again, you cannot see it. Where is the L here? Beep and beep. Compile. Okay. Number of loop does not exist in the current context. Okay, we need to do the same thing as we did with the other thing. And this is an integer. Diggy diggy home. Hey, Ren. Hey, Ren.
Ron mumbles, Ola. Cat mumbles, ELO Ren. Ola feline person.
Random word game has started.
Okay, I should stop banging my head and start thinking. Oh no, what was I doing? Oh, number of loops should be for this one. Always. Whip. And here it will be calculated. Compile.
Cat mumbles, Renpul.
Use unassigned local
Ron
variable
mumbles,
45.
I took a shit in a pool once.
You
I
did?
lie. It was not just one.
Oh no, looks like... I just read what you wrote, Ren. We have a new buddy in our pool. What? What? Welcome in the pool of death.
I welcome you.
Thank you for donating your body for the good cause.
The best cause.
Don't worry, I took your body, but that's fine. Your consciousness will stay in the chat, so you can gather chimichangas and interact with me and my stream, you know.
Ron mumbles, I'm taking a
normal
shit right
streamer
now.
stuff. Okay, Ren, it's okay to describe
Not in
it
a
to
pool,
me.
sadly.
I'm not sure if others are interested in your shitting stories. It's okay between us, Ren, but...
Random word was, pool. Winners, Cat, Ren. Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas. Stonks.
Okay. Number of loops is not defined in this situation. So this should be 1 in here also. Ba, 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 ba. Cool. Now it compiles. Also, I'm pretty sure... You okay, Ren? Oh no, poor Ren. Okay. So this makes sense so far. Right? We have number of loops. We are looping over the L, which is starting with 0. So here, nothing will change as we had the code before. It was just this. If we do...
Cat mumbles, poor Ren, no wants to hear his shitty story.
This calls for...
I went to a bookstore and asked the saleswoman where the self-help section was. She said if she told me it would defeat the purpose.
Okay, I'm just gonna continue. We need to get this into the state we had before. I'm pretty sure we cannot use poop number of users. Or maybe we can. No, this needs to be at the integer. And you don't see what I'm doing. This has to be other integer.
Cat mumbles, I'm confused now, it is spitting out random numbers.
What do you mean random numbers? I actually don't remember this one when I added it. Oh, but I see why I added it. Anyway. This needs to be a different integer. Because this is gonna be 10 for every full loop.
Cat mumbles, in cheat engine the number is 208, in my program it is too big number to spell.
That's true. It's too big number to spell.
Ron mumbles, I don't feel too good.
Why is that, Ren? Is your poop not going good enough?
No. Why? Poop is stuck.
Oh. You just have to push harder, Ren.
Oh no.
Should I cheer for you? So we need to do times...
That is a shitty situation.
Mm-hmm. No, it should be 10. And each loop, it's gonna go...
Ron mumbles.
It's gonna go
I almost
up.
became Super Saiyan like Goku from all the power accumulated in my anus.
L plus 1. Why is L looking same as 1? God fucking damn it, that's so confusing. I don't see the difference actually. Okay, L isn't the best. Let's call it loop. Let's call it O. No, that's even worse.
Cat mumbles. 1 liter WDYM.
I don't see the difference. Okay, okay, cat. Let's call it K. No, P as a poop. Fuck it. Loop. Yeah.
J.
J. I already have a J. Poop, poop, poop. Okay, we are pooping. We are not looping anymore. We are pooping. I hope Ren is happy.
IJK, that is how it goes.
Oh, true. I was thinking about K, but fuck it. P like poop. Okay, I will need P plus plus. Poop plus plus. L does not exist. 49. Oh, this is L then. Okay. So it's poop plus 1. So at first loop, poop is 0, which means we are what is this operator called? We are doing that thing with 10 one time, so it stays the same.
Cat mumbles. P++? Is that a new and upcoming shitty language?
Yeah, developed by Marcus. It tends to break. Yeah. Okay, and this number this whole number will change on the last run. We just need to do plus the last poop number of users at the last run when
Random word game has started.
When
Ron mumbles. Marcus.
Ren,
I'm Sag.
why are you such? You still cannot get your poop out of your butt?
I can no longer scatter.
Why is that?
Cat mumbles. Did Nina do something? Oh no.
You cannot scatter anymore? Because you're sitting on toilet? Is that why? Oh, you lost your subscription, didn't you? Well, Ren.
My sub ended.
Mm-hmm. That's actually pretty sad. I was getting used to your scatters, and you don't scatter anymore, which is underwhelming, Ren. I feel underwhelmed. Mm-hmm.
I need $5.
You need $5? I mean, I need $5 too. If you find $5, can you find another $5 for me? Okay. What was I saying? Oh, I know. That on the last run, on the last loop, when so let's do it
Ron
like
mumbles.
this.
We'll suck PP for $5.
That's pretty cheap. I mean,
Random
what?
word was Nina. Winners, Cat. Congratulations for winning 30
So if
chimichangas.
number of loops
Stonks.
equals poop minus 1, I see we have to... Okay, this is the last run then. We want to do all of this. Right. Minus 10 minus last poop users. And when I'm looking at this, I can just do... No, I cannot. This is correct. Keep. This is gonna be now the last index.
Ron
On the last loop.
I am out in the streets.
Oh. You're not on toilet anymore, or are you pooping out on the streets, Ren? Ren? You shouldn't poop out of the streets. Out on the streets. Oh my god, I can't speak. If you get catched, you can get pretty hefty, that thing. How do you call it? Okay.
Ron mumbles. I was going back home to play video game with you.
Wait. We playing video game, Ren?
But since you know play video games.
But Ren? But I never said I don't want to play video games. You didn't ask me today. You know? Johnny doesn't work in here.
I did.
There's no Johnny.
No Alt F4 for you, Ren.
WTF.
Yeah? Where did you ask? Can you send me a screenshot? Otherwise I'm not gonna believe you, Ren.
In Discord.
Oh, in Discord. You mean that place where I'm not looking, huh? That's okay, I'm gonna check. Oh, but I said to you I'm not sure, which I'm still not sure, you know. And I said it beforehand, so you cannot say that I said yes. I also didn't say no. We need to define poop user index one after
mumbles.
last.
That is why I didn't went home.
Oh, I see.
That is why I poop in the streets.
Okay. Oh, this one isn't defined. Last poop. Last poop is defined in here. Last poop is defined in here. But last poop...
The whole world is my bathroom.
But last poop is not defined in here.
I'm like a cat.
Compile. Yep, that was it. Wait. I think I know what I'm doing wrong. No, that's correct.
Transiner mumbles. Hi.
Hey, Transiner. Hello. How are you?
L feeling spammy to Dale. Cat mumbles. ELO transiner. What was that?
Nothing? Wing? Nothing. It was my new VIP welcome message. Smile. Okay, I'm playing with numbers. Yeah. There is a lot of numbers here, and okay, I just need to figure out what will happen in this first case. So we have number of loops 1. So we will go straight to hell, I mean straight to this first condition. And this index... Okay, that's correct. This poop will be 0. So we are doing -10, and then we are doing... So this needs to be 10. For this to work.
Ron mumbles. Poop is indeed 0.
Yeah, I know, right? Since your poop is not coming out of your butt anymore, Ran. So default should be 10 then. Right? Since we are decreasing from 10. When it's 10, this is 0. When it's not 10, and there is some number of users, am I overcomplicating it? This shouldn't be -10. Wait.
Random word game has started.
Ron mumbles, I am horns. Cat mumbles, Marcus, can I borrow your horns to stab my coat?
Sure.
Wait, I'm gonna rip it
Horny.
off.
There you go, cat.
Finsk.
You're vlgmbk.
Dneska jsem tam byla, nebylo to tam.
Okay. Another glance at my numbers. So if my last poop of numbers is 2, we are doing -8, right? I think it's correct, guys. Right? Because imagine if I had... how do I get...
Random word was, horns. Winners, Ren, Cat. Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas. Stonks.
If I had 39, right? It's still 4 loops. 30. This is gonna be 1 then. Does it make sense?
Cat mumbles, idk.
Me neither, cat. I mean...
Ron mumbles, okay, I need to go home now. Fast.
Why? Okay, I'm not really sure if I want to know, but why? What's happening, Ren? Is something happening? I hope nothing is happening and you just need to go shit.
Hurry, Ren, hurry.
This part is correct. This is gonna always return what I want it to return, but on the last run...
Ron mumbles, it took me all my energy to release that demon inside me. I'm so tired I could faint.
Oh. Yeah. I mean, poopy can be really exhausting. I mean, yeah.
I need sleep.
I gotcha, Ren. I just don't get why fast. I mean, it cannot be that bad. Just drink something or eat something. So if I did -2, wouldn't that just work?
Ron mumbles, before I pass out.
Mm-hmm. You wanna tell me something, Ren? I think there should be just minus the last number, because I'm already doing that conversion. So it's -2. And this should be 0 as I had it before. Now it's correct. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Now we are getting to items. Okay, so source item name is the source item name plus 0. This is fine, but we're gonna loop through this. That might get pretty bad pretty fast. Let's see what happens inside of the loop. So we have another loop. No, this is an if, okay. But then we have a loop. So if this number is more than 0, what is this number? Oh, I see. If we have enough users in our leaderboard, basically, this is what's saying. If we have enough users in the leaderboard, then do the usual stuff. So let's go through the usual
Ron
stuff.
mumbles, if I perish, go to Cat's stream, wait until he achieves something great in game, then type Johnny and press enter.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Thank you.
I'm gonna note that down so I will remember, okay? So if Ren, should I write Finren? If Finren perish S, I guess, perishes, go to cat stream, wait until cat achieves something great in game, then type exclamation mark Marcus, I mean Johnny,
Ren, I will bonk you,
and press enter. Thank you. Okay, I can do that. I don't know when it's the correct time when cat actually achieves something great, but okay. I gotcha, I gotcha. Okay. So what are we doing inside this another
Ron
loop
mumbles,
inside a loop?
It's okay. I would be perished, so fuck it.
I guess I should just say that source item name yeah, I need to put this inside of the loop. Like this. Compile. So it's always starting with this. Okay, we are now in the usual loop when we have enough users. Okay, so we have I, and it's checking with poop number of users. Is that correct? Where is my poop number of users? Where is that defined? That's here. That's not correct.
Ron mumbles, how do I see it?
What? What? Ren? What are you asking? Why are you confusing me now? What do we want to see? Leaderboard? You.
The Leaderberg.
I need to create those HP for users so I can punish people.
Because Ren needs to be
Random word
punished.
game has started.
Okay.
Cat mumbles, Nina again?
Nina again, yes. Oh, we're gonna use the poop number here. No, this has to be 10 always. This cannot change. This is just gonna be 10. Oh. At the last run, it's not gonna be 10. So only on the last run, it's
Ron
not gonna
mumbles.
be 10.
Nina is live and 3 of her mods are not even there.
Yeah, we will raid her. Don't worry, Ran. She's gonna be live for longer than me, for sure. I have a morning shift, by the way, this week. Okay,
She is going to get mad.
Nah, she's fine. Don't be dramatic, Ran. Stop being dramatic. Oh my god. Okay, this is too high number. I need to lower this. And it needs to be 10 on maximum. I cannot go more than 10. And on the last run, I need to go that number. So... we can just check it, okay? It has to be 10.
Random word was
Unless
Nina.
it's the last run.
Winners, Cat, Ren. Congratulations for winning 30 chimichangas.
So,
Stonks.
Cat mumbles.
we did the same
Alright, slap
check.
time.
Oh, you're gonna sleep now?
Ron
Okay.
mumbles. Stop doing drugs, Cat.
What? Sleep then, cat. Have a nice dreams.
WDYM Ren.
So we're gonna check for... Okay, we can do this actually in this same if statement. So if we are in the else statement...
Drugs no do.
Poop number of users should be... And if we are in the last loop, then it should be the number of the... this number. Last poop number of users. Compile. Okay, we're still compiling. So we are going through p number of loops, and when we reach the last, when we reach the last one, we're gonna change the poop number of users from 10 to this number. Okay. And that should be it. So poop user index first minus
Ron mumbles.
I.
Bye, Marcus.
Okay, Ren. See ya. Bye, Ren.
Boo feline person in Marcus chat. Cat mumbles. See you, Ren.
See you guys. Okay. So we are getting the index first here. Yeah, that's correct. Poop order number. This is gonna go from 0 to 10. This I. So from 1 to 11, which is correct. Okay, we are just feeding in here. We are doing this. Okay. Should be all good. Okay. And if we are not in the usual state and we have less users in our table than is required by the number, we will go in here. We can copy this so we know where we are. Okay. We have 10 or other small number in here, which is correct. Okay, we are getting the index the same way. Everything is same. If the poop user index is more than 0, if it's not, then we are setting the empty. Okay, this all should work. Not sure if it's gonna hide everything, so let's check that now. So here is another loop that should hide everything. We have a poop order number, which is going from 10. We can also change this from 15,000 to like 8,000, so we don't wait that long. This should work, theoretically. Okay. It's compiling. Let's just save it and pray. So let's do show board. Let's do small number. 12. Okay. So far so good. It should stay there for 8 seconds, then hide itself. Okay. Okay. There is only one thing that is not working. Okay, there might be more than one thing that's not working. Is it gonna hide now, or is it gonna go forever? It's hiding. Okay, we did 12. It showed us 20. Okay. Also, indexes. Where are they? This one. Poop order number needs to be I times 10.
Random word game has started.
I times 10. In both cases. So for some reason we did 20 instead of 12. Interesting. In any way, this needs to be times 10, right? In both situations, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's see if it will populate correctly. Let's do 13 this time. I guess it's gonna just show 20 again. Show board. Let's do 14. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Random word was Deadpool. There are no winners.
Okay. I mean, it was going twice, which is correct. I'm gonna guess I borked it by messing with that poop order number. Let's see. Poop order number is used here. I see. Okay, I cannot do that then. Fuck, okay, I need to make a new number then, which is gonna be integer, leader, poop, okay, poop, place, number, and that is gonna be this. Let's keep this untouched. Should be I plus 1. Oh, we are not using I in here. I see. I'm using wrong. It was correct. But we are not using I, we are using P. And P. Let's see now. Try 14 again. Okay. So we did something. Is it gonna hide itself? Or is it gonna work? Okay, it's hiding itself at least. So clearly we have some wrong numbers somewhere. Huh. Is it taking only the last one? That's why it's not working? Wait. Should be plus I in here also. 0, 1 is 10, 11, 12. This should be correct. Compile. Let's see again. Let's do 14. Okay. Okay. You're going to 10. You're waiting 8 seconds. We're going back. Okay. And nothing. And we are just gonna hide, right? Okay. Are we using this somewhere? This poop order number? We are. So yeah. This is important. We cannot change this it has to be like it was. We need to create a new integer. And let's call it poop.
Random word game has started.
Place number. And this is it. And this has to stay as y plus 1. And this actual set GDI text in here. We are setting it in here, right? This should be correct. Compile. Maybe now we will get our 14. Save and compile. Let's see. Okay. Looks like we are gonna get our first 10. We will wait 8 seconds. Okay, Ashilia is 10th with 1744. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. But we are still going to 20. But it's working, it's showing 20 at least. So only mistake I'm doing, I'm not calculating that last number correctly. So we are not changing.
Random word was blow. There are no winners.
This is not working correctly. This part particularly. This part is not working. Why? So we have a number of loops, right? If I do 12 or 14, it was 14, right? How many loops is that? It's 14, 1.4, which is 2. That's 2 loops, right? Oh. It should be plus 1. Maybe that was it. Let's see. Let's do 14 again. Okay. Okay, we're going back. Okay. 12, 13, 14. Okay. This looks promising. Are we gonna go back? Question mark. Okay. It's working. At least for 14. Also, I noticed that we need a small delay when we are changing in that loop. So in our poop. No, in this one, right? We need a small delay here. Okay. Let's try it with bigger number now. Show board, I don't know, 27. Let's see what happens now. Okay, we're going back. Cool. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Okay. And we need 7 more. Let's go back. Okay. And 7 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's working. It's working. Okay. 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 I'm pretty sure I don't have more than 50 users. Let's see, actually. Let's see. Show board. Can I do 50? How did I set the... I can do 50. I cannot do 51. Okay, so let's do 50. Let's see 10 if it's gonna behave as it should. Let's see 10 first. Or 20. Oh, yeah, let's see 10 first. Is it gonna behave as it should? Hopefully. Okay. Okay, that's working as it should. So let's do 50. It should populate the empty spaces with empty and 0. If I don't have enough users. Let's see. I think I don't have more than 40 users. Let's see. I can up the number we can show to get to zeros actually. To make sure that that part is working also. But it's just copied code, so it should work in theory. Okay. Flatbot with 290. Okay. Okay, we still have users. This is everyone from Flood's raid, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Still going. No, he stopped. That's weird. Maybe we reached the number. Yeah, I think we reached the number of users and it borked there. Good thing I checked it. So something is borking when we reach the maximum number of users. Can I check the log? What happened there? Log. I want to check log. Oh, something is throwing exceptions over and over, I see. Okay. Leaderboard item 3 and 2 and 1. Entering if statement with not enough users in table. Unable to set GDI text. Okay. So it's putting 41 in there for some reason. Okay, let's check that. Why are you doing that? So... I see. We need to change this to... That should be correct. Wait, what is poop user index? That might be it. What is poop user index? Yeah, we cannot check for poop user index, I guess. get a bit more complicated in these parts, huh? So let's see, poop user index. We are resetting that.
Random word game has started.
Come on, poop user index, where are you declared? Here. Okay, question is, I see where is the problem. I'm not sure if I can fix it straight away.
Random word was hard. There are no winners.
If I look at this index first is being declared up there somewhere at the beginning, right? And it's being calculated for the whole length of the array, which is all users, -1, okay? Minus 10 times the loop. So when we reached 50, looks like this was less. Oh, we need to just make sure that we set this index differently, I think. Let's just call what we see. So let's say where we are. entering loop. Yeah, we are just entering loop after that. Also, poop number. You can actually do that before that. Poop number of users is this. That's correct. Poop user index first. That's been declared on top, right? Yeah. Poop user index first. Let's lock this. Okay, let's look this one. And here we are entering...
Random word game has started.
We are entering... if where users are still populated, we can also log the order number and place number. Let's do that. So this number and the other number. This one should be correct always, right? This place number, okay. And in this case we are entering, and in this case we are entering the other one. Okay. Entering if where users are not populated anymore. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm missing the
Random word was
102,
suck.
102.
There are no winners.
Okay, compile, save and compile, and let's see how it looks. Let's do the live preview. Okay, now let's launch the 50. Let's go. Okay, that's first stand, that's okay. We still have enough users in table. That's 20. Okay, going back. Still have enough users, so this is 30. We are going back. We still have enough users. Yep, we still have enough users. It's 40. Okay, now problems start. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Oh, it's just showing the errors one after another. Okay. I mean, it got to 50. Place number is 50. Right? And the poop order number is 10. But the user index is 29. That's not correct, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this looks wrong. Let's see. Where did it work? Let's go on top. So, here we are entering the if statement with not enough of users in table. And poop number of users is still 10. Does that make sense? Let's see. Yeah, that makes sense, because it's the last loop. You want to show 50, and that's the 50th shtick, so it should be 10. This is the correct number then. So we are going through 10 users in this for loop. That's correct. Okay. We are entering the loop. Cool. And now, poop user index is 38. And poop order number is 1, which is correct. And place number is 41. But user index is 38. And it's saying that it's unable to set GDI text because that source doesn't exist. Because it's trying to set that index there, but it should not say set the index there. It should set the order number. And here it's setting 0, 1. Let's see. So in this, it is trying to set the source leaderboard poop user rank Yeah. This is not okay. It should be this.
Random word game has started.
Is that it? Should compile. No. Also 01 we have here, which is not correct. Why do we have 01 here? Let's see. We need to set it right.
Random word was Vanessa. There are no winners.
Let's see, so it's the only last thing that's not working now. We are setting it in here though. We are not removing this 0 from there for some reason. Source item name. Source item name. We are removing it in here. But we are not doing it in here. Why? Why didn't I do it? Okay, let's do it. So let's just copy this. So, okay. 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 Is it gonna work now? Let's have a look. let's go and watch the log. And let's do the 50. Oof, let's see. Okay, we should be fine until we reach the 40, and after 40 we shall see if we fixed it or not. There was 2 issues in that code. Did I fix both of it or not? Okay. We going from 11 to 20. Okay, now we should hide it. Okay. And 21 to 30. Okay. And let's hide it. Let's go. Okay. And 31 to 30. Huh? Now we need to hide. After that, let's see. Nope, it's still not working. Okay. So what happened? Okay. We cannot show that item now, only. Because we have one more character there that shouldn't be there. Interesting. So it's a leaderboard item 11. Let's see. Which one are we entering, by the way? Where users are still populated, okay. So this one. Maybe we just need to set this back to default. You know? No. How are we getting 11 in there? Oh. Did I copy it twice? That's why. Yep, I did. Okay. That was my bad, actually. So I just copied it twice. Cool. Okay, now it should work, right? In that case. Let's have a look at the... Whew. Let's hope it works now. Okay. We know this works. Okay, let's see now. Come on. Come on, little table. I believe in you. Okay. Okay. So we have more than 50 people. Interesting. That's so interesting. And now I'm curious, what happens if I up the limit to, I don't know,
Random word game has started.
70. And I go for 70. I'm really curious what will happen. Ba, ba, ba. We should go up to 70, right? Okay. I don't think we have 70 users, so let's see. Okay, we are going to 50 now. Cool. We managed to do that even before. Okay, we still have users. Okay. Huh, we might have actually 70 users. Interesting. We indeed have. Oh.
Random word
Okay.
was long. There are no winners.
Okay. We have a new lock now. Since it's a new day. I mean, yeah, we still have... This index is still big, like... Let's do 90. I'm pretty sure we don't have 90 users. Okay. Sure, keep watching it. So... What, fuck it, let's do 100. Fine. Okay. Let's do... Show board 100. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Mhm. Okay, we're going over 70 now. Okay. Oh, now we're on 0 and it's populating. Cool. And we should go all the way to 100 now with zeros. Hopefully. Yep. Okay, now it's working as intended. Cool. Cool. Okay. Only thing I don't get is why are we going from this normal part of the loop. So from this loop, we don't have this number correct then. How are we calculating it? Should be after the last one. This is correct now. I remember fixing that. So the check is correct. But the value itself, it's not. This is not correct. Why? We are checking the first index minus. Is it because I'm not using the
Random word game has started.
encapsulation?
Random word was, bend. There are no winners.
Oh. So we need first. I see. For check. Now it should be correct. Let's see if I do... Let's lower the show of that. Where is the delay? Let's do 2 seconds instead. Let's do 60. We should be whole time in that range. Okay, we still have enough users. That's correct. Still enough users. Okay. So let's do 89. Okay, looks like it's working. Okay, still watching it. Here it is still populated. 5 chimney, and here it's not populated anymore. Empty with 0 chimney. It's working. Okay. So if we do 20, we have 2. I'm pretty sure it should be 10 in here. See, let's do show board without anything. Okay, it's working. Nice. So if I do 5 now, it works. Cool. At the end of stream, it will show top 10. Okay. We need different delays for different numbers of the... Let's put 10 seconds for now and be happy with it, I guess. Okay, one last thing. In this scene, there will be a silence for a few seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, color. Okay.
Random word game has started.
Should be correct. There you go. Now, if we do testing, commands, And there should be a test I set up. Yeah, test. Okay. So if I do color, I don't know, cyan. Let's go into the main scene. So change the spectralizer to parse. And let's do the test. Okay, it's working. Oh, that background needs to change, that color of that background. Okay. I'll be right back. I just need name of that. Okay, let's try this again. Duplicate. Okay. And okay.
Random word was slick.
Let's go back to...
There are no winners.
Let's do purple. Okay, let's do test. Yeah, it's working. Okay. That's all I wanted to do, I guess, today. Cool. So let's clean up the leaderboard until I forgot, so it's not logging everything. Okay, 10 is gonna be on the ending screen. I mean, we can do 20, why not? First 20. Just because we have power. Default can be 5, sure. When somebody fucks up. And value should be between 1 to 100. Compile. That's it. Okay, now we don't need to lock everything in here, so let's just get rid of those locks. Let's go for CPH, just so CPH, CPH. CPH. CPH, CPH. Another CPH. Be gone, be gone. Okay. Let's watch it now. For the last time. Let's do... Let's do 13. It's working. Okay. Cool. I think that's it for me for today. Okay. We can close this. Cool. Let's go here. Stream ending. We have a new follower in our pool. Mr. Dipson. Thank you for my VIPs, Confused Cat, Ren, and Transinner. And yeah, it looks like Red Instant was here too. As always, fuck you, love you, or whatever you want. See you next one, I guess. And Cat is still holding that record in the bottom right with 46 streak. Unbelievable.
Okay.
I mean, he tried to beat it, I guess. I guess it doesn't matter if I raid with one viewer, so I'm just gonna end this stream, gonna let the music finish. Yeah, see you next one. Bye bye.